Hi friends, welcome back to my channel with a new video. So in the today's session, we are going to see how to use this XML packages in the automation anywhere. So this is the part one I'm doing. Okay, so in this part one, we are using these sessions. Okay, these packages like start session, end session, get multiple nodes, get single node, save session data. So how to make use this packages in the automation anywhere, so we'll see. So let's get started. Let me open this automation anywhere. So here I'll create on task bot here. So I'll just mention task name as XML packages. Okay, and after that just click on this create, and so here you have the workspace to create work on this XML packages. And before that I'll just add one comment here. Okay, so here XML reading. Okay, I'll just add XML reading. Just save this one, and so I have created one XML. Okay, so let me open this XML file books, and this XML is holding of books names. Okay, so you can see this bookstore is the root node, and book is the child node, and title, author, year, and price. So these are all the child node of this bookstore. So using these tags, so we need to read that all the values from these tags. Okay, so here book name is cooking and the title is everyday Italian. So like that we need to read the data. So how to read the data? So first we'll see. uh, so here you just type in the action, you just type XML. Okay, so in the XML, so we need to use this start session. Okay, so just double click on this start session, and then so the session name is default, and you can change it. So I'll just change it to XML, and then so here desktop file, I'll just browse that file. So in the variable also you can provide, so I'll just browse this file. So I have saved this file here uh, under this folder XML packages. Just select this one, open it, and after this you take this end session. Okay, end session, and then session name is XML, and save this one. And after this, so here you can see how to use that start session and end session. Now you will use get multiple nodes. So how to use this get multiple nodes? So just double click on this get multiple nodes. See here, if you mouse over on this, it will say reduce the values of multiple nodes requires bot agent. That's okay. So request it is retrieving the values of multiple nodes. So in the XML, whatever the nodes are there, no books, title, author, year, and price. So all together it will take it. Okay, so I'll use this get multiple nodes, and session name I will change it to XML, and you can keep it as default as well. So I changed here. Here in the XPath expression we need to provide, for example, so this is the root node, right? First we need to mention a bookstore, okay, and then the subnode book. So I will use this bookstore, and then we are having book, right? Book. See here, we are having bookstores and book. That is enough. And after that, here you need to select get each node text value. Okay. And I need to assign that to one of the variable, create variable. Uh, so we can give as it is with table XML nodes. Create this one. And after this, I'll just take one message box. Okay. So just we need to check that. So these all the values are properly coming or not. Okay, in the using that get multiple nodes, we have created this variable. I'm selecting that by index you can give and insert it, and save this and run it. And after running, so it is going to read that XML file, and it has to display all the values inside this message box. Okay, so XML node is not found because so here in the get multiple nodes we need to change that uh, XML. See here, after starting the session we are ending it, so that's why this get multiple node is not working, so we need to drag here. That end session should be always at the end. Then save this and run it. Okay, so now this time it is going to display all the values inside that message box. So you can see that everyday Italian, Glida, author is Glida D, and price is 200, and sorry, edition is 2005, and the price is 30. So like that it will display. Okay, so here you can see it has displayed this one, cooking, uh, everyday Italian is the title, and Gladia year and price it is displaying, right? So now what I will do, so next which package is there, get single node. So how to use that get single node? So now it is coming in one message, right? So instead of this, how to use the this one, get single node? Okay, you just use type XML and then single node, get single node, and here in the default you just remove and keep XML, and the XPath is so same way. So this one we need to take up to this. Okay, and after that we are reading the single node, right? So we need to give title. First we'll read title. So here you can see in the XML, first we need to read this title, and second one is author, year and price. Now we'll read author and year. Okay, this is done. We'll create one variable. So v title. Okay, and now save this, and after this copy this single node. Now I'll remove this multiple nodes, disable this line, and the single node you just copy for 4 times. Okay, so now I need to read author name. So remove that title and type author. So here in the XML you can just check that. So author, and after that year and price. So author will create one more variable, be author. Okay, and now after that, so remove that title and author, and here uh, year is there, correct? Year. So we'll check that one more time. So yes, we are having that year. Just type year here, and then create one more variable called year. So and then click on create, and now remove this title and put price, and then create the variable called vprice. Okay, and create it. So now in the message box we are going to display this one. So first one is title, right? Title. Okay, so take this variable as a title, and then author, and you need to select the author. So after selecting this one, so you need to select the year now. So year, and you need to select this variable year, and then price. Okay, so if you want to read the data from one by one using this get single node, so you need to read like this. So I'll run this one. So now it is going to display all the values in separate variable. Using that get single node, we need to read like this. Okay, see here. So that title is Everyday Italian, and author is Glida D, and year 2005, and price is 30 rupees. Okay, so that is how we need to use this get single node. Okay, and now we'll see our last option. So that is save session data. So how to use that save session data? We'll see that. Okay, so I'll disable all these lines. Okay, so now So enable this get multiple nodes, and after this keep this message box here. And so now we'll add this save session data. Okay, so the session name is XML. Change this to XML because here in the start session we are starting as XML, so we need to change that. Save session data, and here we need to create one variable. Okay, so we save session data I will create, and after this in the message box I will just remove all these things and I will add only this. So we session data. So now it is going to display that entire XML file data here using this save session data. So now I'll run this one. Okay, you can see here. So that entire XML data it is going to display in the message box. Okay, so that is how we need to use these XML packages for these 5 options. In the next session, we'll saw other XML package sessions. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.